Hi there, Chris here. So with the holiday, I got all screwed up and almost forgot to do my mini lock Monday. So I have this little tiny master lock. So let's see if I can do this. I don't know if I can do it top of the keyway. It's awful small to do all that, but we'll see if we can get it. No, I think I'm in a false set. Maybe. I might have to go bottom of the keyway here because I'm like falling out. All right, let's just do this. We'll see if this will work. That might be choking it off. We'll see. All right, quick pick mini lock Monday. So that's that one. And I think I can just use the monkey paw on this one if I find the right place. And this is just the tiny, what do they call it? Number 10. So that's that one. I think I can just use the monkey paw. Find the right pew here. There we go. So we got them both. Take that, Steve. Steve's lock picking. Oh, FYI, Steve's lock picking. You might want to go over to Lockmania's Christmas giveaway, maybe, and check it out. Anyway, there you go. 2 little tiny master locks for Mini Lock Monday. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe. I don't think our buddy Mylock, did he do it on Mini Lock Monday? Am I going to gain on him here? I can't remember. All right, we will see you next time.